Hello Print Society. I am very excited to announce that PopDTF.com is officially live. Thank you for all of you who have pre-ordered these printers and took advantage of the New Year's sale. Right now, if you head to PopDTF.com, you can still use code SAVE5 to save 5% off of this entire P5000 bundle that we have here. The lead time is going to be 4 to 5 weeks. We're running ahead of schedule right now, trying to meet up with the demand for those of you who are excited enough to just message us about it. I appreciate all of the support. I have waited on this moment for just under a year. We're about 11 months now into this before I sold a single printer. I wanted to make sure I chose a unit that I really liked. I could tell you everything about, like a list 50 reasons why I really like this printer. So I can show you here in a bit what all comes with the bundle. I've seen you, like, I hadn't even really put the website out there, but only within a couple of groups, Facebook groups, and I've seen you guys flooding the site from all over this planet. I mean, Turkey, Australia, a lot of you folks in Canada, Mexico, New Amsterdam, Spain, Italy, everywhere. So I never thought that my little small YouTube channel would reach, would grow to a global reach. I just wanted to help people fix their printers and maintain their printers, and it morphed into you guys saying that, or some of you guys saying that, Jay, if I order a DTF printer, I will only order it from you. And so I took that to heart. So I mean, even with the labeling, we actually label the carts for DTF along with the slots where the channels go. But I'm very proud of this brand, and I have a few shout outs to make at the end of this video because it hasn't only been me with this stuff. So what you're going to get with this bundle is the fully converted P5000 here, and again, you can save 5% off with code SAVE5. Now, if you become a paid member of the Elegant Edits YouTube channel, the monthly subscription, at one of the 2 higher tiers, you can also get a free, or not free, but you can get a lifetime 5% off of everything. So I will actually stack those for you. I'll send you a special code for that, for the total of 10% off of one of these bundles. I've tried to pack as much value into this stuff. I've tested rolls, I've tested this stuff. I've tested inks. I've bricked a couple of the printers by testing too many suppliers' inks before I wanted to actually sell a finished product, or sellable product rather. So you're going to get fully converted PopDTF. Thank you, Clinty Polo, for designing this logo. You're going to get a liter of inks for each channel. I hope you can hear my excitement. It's time. So you'll get the 2 pounds of the TPU powder. You'll get a set of priming syringes, 10 milliliter syringes, a set of priming tips so that you can prime your carts, 60 mil, as well as filling funnels, and also you get the blunt tip syringes. I don't know where they are. I have stuff all over the place. So you'll get the 4-inch blunt tip syringes. We have an 18 by 24-inch curing oven, branded. This thing cures in like literally 20 seconds. It's actually insane. And it has a drawer. So, but the fact that it has a drawer, you can pull it out, just barely pull the print, and that heat doesn't get allowed to escape or dissipate out. So you can keep that heat locked in, the most of the heat. It does not come, this bundle does not come with a fume extractor. I tried to keep everything as affordable as possible and cost effective on my end as well to pack value into it. And the other reason is that I'm still testing these. Most of you guys are printing from your home, and honestly that fume extractor is going to be a little bit or a lot of bit too loud for someone printing in their home. So I'm going to go for a smaller fume extractor unit that will be listed on the site here, soon. I know some of you foreigners are gonna eat me up with that one, that slip of the tongue, but it's just going to be too loud. It pulls too much power, so I won't sell them. So again, I'm the guinea pig. So I'll probably keep this one, who knows, but we will eventually have commercial units as well. So to pick back up where we left off, it's going to come with ACRORIP 10. Actually, this was the first print. So this was just the first print. So this isn't even a super vibrant print. This is the first print from the unit we just converted that's ready to go here. We are setting up the logistics for that. You're also going to get, like I said, ACRORIP version 10.7. You'll get an extra maintenance tank because you need one that you reset and one you never use. You get both the ink chip, it stuffs it going everywhere. The ink chip resetter for the cartridges, as well as the maintenance tank. You'll get a 328-foot roll of film, an extra set of chips, so that if a chip ever goes bad, you just pop it off, you know, swap it out with another one, and you're back up and running. You don't have to wait on a replacement. Again, a liter of inks of each channel, so we have 2 white channels, so you get 2 white liters of ink. I mentioned that the filling syringes, foam and swabs, cleaning solution as well. I don't want to forget that. Am I missing anything? You'll get pre-filled carts that will already be ready to go. I'm a little bit worried about the logistics on you know, side of that, so I may have you fill them. I'm still on the fence about that. And again, you get that 328-foot roll. Again, we have the graveyard over here. I've learned so much about these printers, so to actually repair these will be in the paid area of the YouTube membership, as well as tutorials for designs and taking certain things apart and stuff like that too. Everything that I've learned over the past 11 months with PopDTF. So again, I was the guinea pig, so I've bricked a couple of these printers. I've been speaking with an Epson technician, so he's actually reassured me that we will be good to go if I run into any issues that I haven't even figured out. We have maintenance pad sets that are ready to go. I also have pads for the 7890 as well. If you need those, just let me know. Some of this stuff will be listed on the site. Okay, so these are just curing ovens. I have to, because you guys don't know what's in these boxes. But yeah, curing ovens ready to go for those who have already purchased. A big shout out to Iron Designs 813. She is a pioneer. She rarely gets her flowers. She works more than me, and I work 6 days a week. But she sent me these neatly packaged replacement parts that I needed at a great price. They have a damper kit or an ink selector, whatever you want to call it here, so that I can revive a couple of these units. You probably can't hear anything I'm saying here. Yes, we have a capping. Actually, that's the capping station, and here's the ink selector here, along with the ink tubing. And so it's not just me. Thank you, Clinty Polo, or Plums, as you guys will see him in the YouTube comment section area. I hope that's focused. Sometimes it doesn't when I do this. So Clinty Polo, he actually designed the logo for PopDTF. I'm a graphic designer by trade, but I didn't want to do my own logo. I was very intentional. I wanted someone else to be creative with it. So a big shout out to you. Again, Iron Designs 813. You've been there. She's been there when I had questions about the P5000's little quirks and stuff that I couldn't resolve. Again, small business, big impact. We're printing our own labels and doing all these things. So here is a sneak peek. I just finished shooting some of the, I didn't really plan this out well, I guess, but let me see if I can kind of, this is a sneak peek for you guys. Nothing crazy, but I do what I can. So this will be for the PopDTF channel. And the outro. Okay, I know some of you guys could have done a better job than me, but I do enough to get by. So, oh, by the way, if you've somehow benefited from any of the information, the tutorials, everything, I rarely ask for anything. At the end of this video, you will actually see a link where you can go to the PopDTF YouTube channel and give and subscribe. That's all I ask. Could you help me build the PopDTF brand and the channel? If you benefited from any information that we've put out, again, I don't ask for much, but now I'm asking. Could you please go and subscribe to the channel? If you benefited from this Elegant Edits channel, help me grow it, and we'll grow together. Again, small business, big impact. Thanks for all of you guys who've sent me loving messages and everything. And we'll get it together. We'll get these things shipped out. Appreciate all of those who have supported me throughout my journey. I won't be too long-winded here. Oh, thanks to the people over at DTG Pro. They've been helping me behind the scenes through some of these things as well. Hope I'm not forgetting anyone. Of course, Big Boy Prince. Yeah. I mean, I have a bunch of people that I talk to and we kind of bounce ideas, but I don't want to ramble here. But again, we will be moving to a different building here pretty soon. We'll still have this location and we'll use it for retail sales, just t-shirts. But we have outgrown the space. It's a blessing and we don't know what's to come. So we'll have commercial units. We'll be testing those pretty soon. And I've seen you guys in Canada, so I'll work out the logistics for that, and we will be able to drop ship the commercial units to you when they're ready, no matter where you are on this planet. My supplier has a network of distribution. We can get it to you. So again, small business, big impact. I thank you guys for every striking thing that I get. We're leading with honesty, integrity, and humility. I look forward to putting more videos out over the next couple of weeks or so. Thank you all. Be blessed. And again, as always, stay elegant.